There's nothing on Sierra Block!
I'm trying to see what they see. And the first floor?
Bottom door.
Okay.
Bottom door.
We actually need to clear 3-3 here and get over the wall. This is 3-3. So back up.
Moving in on 30.
Watch the door! That's the first one.
Watch your left, watch your left. I got this now. Fire team. Sir, I got this now.
Somebody on the second story.
Hold there, sir. 5, stay.
Take him alive. Careful, there's somebody on the corner.
One door on the right, one opening left. I got the left side.
To the hospital.
Go right, go right.
Hey, they're gonna
Grenade!
Hold this door.
Duck, kick it.
Kick it.
Hurry! Hurry!